So it was going up and down and up and down. And you could see it was actually because it's so precise and so like just a smaller unit where like small little changes affect it. Because that was going up and down so rapidly, it was actually affecting my suction of my compressor because it was changing the capacity, because now your gas cooler is changing what's coming out of the actual gas cooler and essentially affecting the whole enthalpy of the charge. So if you're having that low superheat come back, now that heat exchanger is having to open up, now it's changing the parameters.